Imagine, if you will, who we might be as a nation and as a world if, along with reading, writing, and arithmetic, we were also taught to walk in kindness. Imagine if we were taught throughout our lives what it means to radiate love, to look at every sentient being through the lens of non-judgment. In a time where we seem to have extreme polarization, we must shift and practice extreme forgiveness. Forgiving so radically requires a deep maturity, grace, and mercy. Forgiving will start the healing process. I take responsibility for the problems I see. You know, there's a comical allegory, and it goes something like this. Every time I see or have a problem, well, there I am. I'm the one constant, it would seem, anytime I notice a problem. That's why I have to take responsibility for the world I see. What would life be like if we monitored our thoughts and words to never utter a negative sentiment about anything, regardless of whether you feel it's justified? What if we made a conscious effort that every word that passes your tongue is uplifting to the listener? Every thought is uplifting to whatever it is you're focused on. Imagine now if we were taught these lessons repetitively at home, at school, at church, on the shows we watch and the programs we listen to. How amazing, how incredible would our world be? There's a term known as the overview effect. The overview effect is used to describe the cognitive shift experienced by astronauts when they see Earth from outer space. It refers to the profound change in perspective and an increased sense of interconnectedness that comes from seeing the Earth as what it is, a small, fragile planet floating gently in the vastness, the hugeness of space. Astronauts see the Earth and often describe a sense of awe and appreciation for the planet's beauty and fragility. They realize that there is no distinct boundaries or borders visible from space, highlighting the unity and oneness of humanity and the shared collective responsibility to care for our planet. The overview effect has led many to advocate for our environment, for peace, for international cooperation. It emphasizes the need to address global changes collectively, recognizing that the Earth is a shared home for all sentient beings. This unique perspective has also influenced the greatest philosophers, scientists, artists, inspiring them to explore our place in this mighty universe and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the universe. Overall, it serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting and preserving our planet for generations to come. It encourages us to transcend individual differences, to work together to create a sustainable and a peaceful, a loving world. Or as Aristotle put it, the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. You see, we are all human beings first, brought together by our common humanity for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, which, by the way, are our given rights to be liberated, to be free, to be happy. That's a right we all have. Our nation was founded on the motto, E pluribus unum, which is Latin for out of many, one. We all want a loving, peaceful, abundant society where each of us has the right to become our higher self. Thank you for listening to me.